Today, we're talking with Dr. Briley about allergies in dogs. Dr. Briley, what does it mean when my dog is chewing or licking at her feet?
So there's a couple of reasons that dogs would be licking their feet, but one of the most common ones that we see is if dogs are having allergies to things that are in the environment. For example, when they walk outside on the grass, and if they're allergic to the grass, or it might be pollen, or it could be inside maybe mold or house dust mites. If the dog is allergic, one of the things that will happen as they have repeated exposure to it is they will come inside it and they will start licking their paws. So sometimes they lick the top of their paws, sometimes they'll actually turn their foot over and they're licking on the inside part. And what the pet owner will notice a lot of times is the pet will either have wet paws or they will start to have kind of a staining, kind of a dark color. It'll kind of change the color of the fur. And then the dog sometimes will start to actually like gnaw in between the feet. So if your dog does that, you should go to the veterinarian to see if we are going to diagnose potential allergies.
Are there any other symptoms of allergies besides chewing and licking on the feet?
Sometimes they will itch on other parts of their body. If you see them just kind of scratching with their rear foot, if they're just scratching their shoulders, or if they're turning around and they're chewing on their skin kind of above their tail area. And then sometimes it'll be sneezing. Sometimes it's respiratory symptoms. But one of the big ones is licking and chewing on the feet.
So can I just give my dog some Benadryl?
Sometimes we do prescribe Benadryl, but it's always best to go to the vet first to get an actual diagnosis to see if we're treating allergies the correct way. We do dispense antihistamines, and sometimes it is Benadryl, but I would say first check with your vet to make sure, because sometimes we prescribe other medications too.
Is there any way to do allergy testing in dogs?
Yes, there is. So there's a blood test that can be done to actually find out what your dog is allergic to, and there are regional panels. So for example, since we live in Southwest Louisiana, the companies are specific, checking things that are specific to our location, certain types of trees and grass that grow just here. So again, if you have any questions or concerns, if you think your pet might have allergies, it's best to contact your veterinarian.
All right, thank you.